Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I organize my fridge. It's a fridge organization video. People usually say before they do this video like, oh, it's the most requested video, highly requested. Mine was not requested, but I just thought, oh, why not, if people are doing it, why not? Okay, so stay put. We are going to clean our fridge, we are going to organize it, and that's it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're a new subscriber, if you are new to this channel, if you're already a member, thank you for coming back and welcome. So let's go straight into the video. Okay, I'm going to adjust my camera so that it focuses only on the fridge. My fridge is in the sitting room. I have a very small kitchen. So here, this is my fridge. This is where I put I'll be removing them one by one. It is very, very dirty. I think it's been like some while. Let me show you closer. It's dirty. So we are going to clean it. We are going to clean it. I'm using, this is white vinegar. I'm using warm water and white vinegar. There is no specific amount to use, and I'm just going to use this. This is what I use for cleaning. Hi. Sit up, Chapa. Yeah. I'm washing these things that I used to separate or to separate the fridge compartments. I don't know their name. I'm using soap and water, and you can use maybe vinegar and warm water, but I prefer using soap and water. I left the door open so that it can, so that free air can flow freely. So this is the fridge, the cooling compartment. It's now clean. I'm just going to return. I'm going to return all the I'm now going to return the These are eggs. These are my eggs. Then followed by, these are grapes. Not grapes. These are dates. These are dates. So I usually like dates. So these are dates. These are dates. And this is strawberry. soy sauce, peptang, this is not yogurt, this is mala. Mala, I think it's sour milk, or I don't know, buttermilk. It's buttermilk. So I usually, it's almost finishing. If you notice, I don't have juices in my fridge. And then here I have beetroots. These are beetroots. I place them down there. Then carrots. Eggplant. I don't know how these are called. We call them tundadamu. So these are tundadamu. And some pepper. This is pepper. And some pieces of garlic. So these are pepper. Chili. And then this remaining space here is where I put my bell peppers. These are green bell peppers. And then I usually store my apples. I like apples. This is where I put my apples. Before I used to store tomatoes here, but I stopped storing tomatoes there unless they are very, very ripe, and I'm running short of time. So I just store them there, though that is usually for apples and maybe mangoes. All the mangoes are over. And then I have some peppers. These are yellow bell peppers and red bell pepper. So these peppers I usually store them. They are still not yet ripe, but they'll soon get ripe. So I put them where at least they don't absorb a lot of water. And then my vegetables. This is my cabbage. Then this is okra. I like storing them in the fridge, but I'll freeze them. I'll prepare them and freeze them before they go bad soon. And here is this is dania, cilantro, or I don't know how it's called. Gorgets, these are my gorgets. Zucchini. This is where let me put them next to okra. Yeah, that's over here is zucchini. And now I'm remaining with my veggies. Though I'm not going to put a lot of vegetables because I have to prepare some for lunch today. Only this one is there. This is my spinach. kales. I don't put them in a polythene bag because I consume a lot of vegetables, so I just put them over that spinach. This was cut, and I think we will finish it today because it's a big family. It's not a small family, so I just covered it there with some melon, and that's it. So this is my fridge. It's pretty small. The cooling compartment is pretty small, but you see, it's neat. There's no much junk in it. I don't know why, I just like vegetables. So my fridge is usually full of vegetables, apples, fruits, vegetables, and yeah, it's called a minimalistic fridge. So let me put these carrots so I can see them. Yeah, the carrots and the beetroots. So that's it. I don't store my tomatoes. Here is where I store my tomatoes. Let me show you where I store my tomatoes. Yeah, in this stool here, over here in my kitchen, and I put some lemon on top of it so that they don't go bad, and also bananas. I don't put bananas in my fridge. I usually put bananas on top of the fridge. This is what I'm speaking about. Yeah, that is where I store my bananas.